So the debt management office just released the savings bond for the month of June, and I'll be giving you all the information you need to know. I'll be sharing a link to how you can get started subscribing for the month of June savings bond. Not just that, I've also done a financial calculator on how to calculate your interest if you invest in the month of June savings bond opportunity. Now the savings bond opportunity was just released few minutes ago, and it was well expected. For the 3 years tenure, we are seeing 17.121%, and we are seeing for the 2 years tenure 16.121%. This is slightly the same as the one that was released in the month of May. So investors can go about investing, and they'll be getting paid 4 times in a year. That's in the month of September, in the month of December, in the month of March, and also in the month of June. You can see all this in the information that was released in the debt management office website. Now the saving bond is an investment opportunity for you to invest. With 5,000 naira you can get started. So it's a low risk investment whereby you give the federal government of Nigeria some cash for them to invest for you, and they are giving you some interest quarterly, and at the end of your duration they are going to give you all your money. You can check the comment section of this video to get the link if you want to go about registering for this investment opportunity. Now I'll be going over to my screen because I've done this calculator that will help you calculate your profit, that's your interest, if you go ahead investing in this FGN savings bond. Now let's get onto my screen. So as you can see here, I have done the calculator, and you can see the amount invested, the duration, that's the 3 years tenure. Look at the percentage, they are giving 17.121%, and you can see the yearly interest, the quarterly interest, and the total interest. Now for this total interest, we are getting the interest for your 3 years, and down here your total interest is total interest for 2 years because the tenure or the duration here is 2 years. So let's say you invest 50,000 naira, and I come here and I put 50,000 naira, and once I hit enter, you can see that your yearly interest after investing 50,000 naira, you are getting 8,560 naira. Your quarterly interest, that's what they'll be paying you in the month of September, December, and March, and also June next year. You are getting 2,140 naira. Then your total interest after your duration, that's after your investment, that's after 3 years, you are getting 25,681 naira 0.5 kobo. Now let's say you're investing 100,000 naira in this savings bond, and if I hit on enter, look at the amount you are receiving: 17,121 naira in the year. Then quarterly you are getting 4,280 naira. Then you are getting a total of 51,363 naira. Now some persons go as much as investing 1 million naira. Let's see how much 1 million naira will give to you. And once I hit on enter, you can see that 1 million naira is giving you all this. That's 513,630 naira as your total interest in the 3-year tenure. Now let's come over to the 2 years tenure and see how much this same amount will be given to us. Now if we click on this and I put the 50,000 naira, and once I hit on enter, you can see that 50,000 naira is giving us 8,060 naira at the end of the year. And look at what we'll be getting quarterly, that's 2,015 naira, and we are getting a total of 16,121,000 naira at the end of the tenure. That's the end of 2 years. That's if you see how much you've accumulated before your investment expires. Now this 16,000 naira is not being paid to you at once, they are being splitted. So they are paying you 8,060 naira twice. That's to give you 16,121 naira. So for this one too, this amount you are getting 25,681 naira is not paid to you just once. They are paying you this amount per year, and they are giving you for 3 years. And they are not just giving you this amount per year, they are splitting it in 4 times. They are giving you 4 times in a year. So they are giving you this amount repeatedly till it accumulates to this amount, and that's when your duration or your investment expires. Now let's put we are investing 100,000 naira in the 2 years tenure. You can still see how much we are earning at the end of our duration. That's the total amount we are getting from this investment. And let's say we are investing 1 million naira, and once I hit on enter, I'm going to get the amount. You are getting 322,420 naira total of your investment of 2 years. So that's one thing you need to understand. So this calculator I have done, I use Excel to do the calculator. If you want the calculator, you can drop your comments in the comment section and I'll be sending you this calculator, so you can just remove this entry and you put the amount. So let's say I want to invest 5,000 naira. If you want to invest 5,000 naira as a student, once you hit on enter, you can see the amount you are getting if you invest 5,000 naira. So if I remove this one now and put 10,000 naira, if you want to invest 10,000 naira, hit enter, this is the amount you are getting. And if I put, for instance, now let me put a number that is not rounded, 25,000 naira, or let's say 24,500, that's what you're investing. You are seeing, sorry, the FGN Savings Bond is a multiple of 1,000 naira, so you cannot invest 24,500. So let's say you're investing 24,000 naira, and once I hit on enter, look at the amount we are getting. So if you want the FGN Savings Bond calculator that I have designed for the month of June, you can drop your comments in the comment section and I'll send the calculator to you, and you can put in the amount you want to invest and be able to see how much you'll be earning for a span of the years you want to invest, maybe in the 2 years tenure or the 3 years tenure. Now the FGN Savings Bond is a low risk investment. One of the things you should notice when I was using that calculator is that the higher the duration, the higher your interest you are getting. That's your cumulative interest at the end of your tenure. So for a 2 years tenure, you are getting not up to 50% interest totally, but for a 3 years tenure, you are getting about 50% plus interest at the end of your tenure. Let's say you're investing 100,000 naira, at the end of your tenure, you are getting about 50 something thousand naira as interest that have been paid to you. So the FGN Savings Bond is a low risk investment and you can get started. Like I said, I'll be dropping a comment in the comment section, so you can use the link to register for this month's savings bond opportunity. Also, if you want this calendar or this calculator rather, you can drop your comments and I'll send this calculator to you, and you can calculate how much you're investing and you can see how much you'll be earning quarterly and at the end of your duration. So if you want more content like this, do also hit that subscribe button as we keep bringing you ways to go about making some cash online. Don't forget to share this video, also like this video as we keep bringing you lots of information. Till our next one, peace.